In most cases, we've seen an AI governance committee set up, which consists of an average of 6 to 8 people representing different departments in the organization. And so this is a much larger governance committee than we saw in the era of GDPR, where we were just managing data, not data models and outputs. And this committee has a hard job. They need to evaluate a number of different things. If we simplify the work, they're really taking a look at use cases. Um, they're taking a look at what is the inherent risk in those use cases outlined by laws like the EU AI Act, by company policies, and how do you balance that risk against the potential value to optimize time and resources on projects that likely deliver a very high return on investment, which get you out in front of an innovation curve and an innovation circle. So, just managing use cases and being able to classify them as high, medium, and low risk is challenging enough, and taking all the perspectives of those 6 to 8 people on the committee into account. But evaluating those use cases requires a deeper understanding, and the deeper understanding is of the data sets and the models.